Hi, good evening everyone. I'm Ravi Kant Yadav. I'm working in Maruti Suzuki India Limited in Quality Vertical. As a manager, I'm taking care of audits. I'm a 2009 pass out from BRCM College and I've done my Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering from this college. As alumni president and a pass out from this college, I wish all the very best to the team and faculty involved for the NAAC accreditation. I wish all the best to all the members who are involved. We hope we get this certification in the very first attempt. Thanks a lot. And additionally, I pray for your health in this pandemic. Request you to stay safe, take care of all the precautions during the certifications. All the very best. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Kashif Sadiq and I have completed my BTech in 2016 from Electrical and Electronics Department. Currently, I'm working as a software system designer in AMD, which as you might know is one of the leading computer processor companies in the world. I would like to take this opportunity to thank BRCM for providing me a platform where I could explore different aspects of engineering and groom myself to be the person that I am today. I'm extremely grateful to the faculty members, especially the AAA department and the management for their continued support throughout my journey. I would like to wish them all the very best for the NAC accreditation and all the future endeavors. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sumanjeet from 2008 batch Electronics and Communication stream. I'm currently working as team lead in Cisco. I have an experience of 11 plus years as Java developer. I'm currently working on a project for application monitoring on artificial intelligence. I have a tremendous knowledge of cloud computing. The learnings which we had from BRCM around the networking, databases or soft skills has helped us a lot in excelling in our careers. I would like to thank my professors, the support staff, and special thanks to TPO, Training Placement Office, for giving us the platform with a big name Wipro, from which I got my first job and my professional life started. I would like to also wish BRCM all the very best for its bright future. Thank you.
Hello, I am Aditya Nandal, CEO Rudraksh Care Private Limited and a proud alumni of BRCM CET. 9 years ago, I started my journey in the technical field as a fresher in civil engineering at BRCM. Just like most of us, it was my first time away from home in a hostel facility. I had my fears, I had my doubts regarding the career choice and the new place. But the hostel staff was very amicable and provided me a secure environment where I made so many good friends. As far as the academic part was concerned, the professors and supporting staff ensured that the students got top-notch learning and industrial exposure. The expert guest lectures were something that I really looked forward to attend dearly. After academic hours, I used to go to court for my daily badminton practice. Well, these 4 years at BRCM made me a better version of myself, who is more confident and more observant. Wishing the whole team of BRCM the very best of luck for the NAAC accreditation.
Hello everyone, I am Sonam Joshi and I have been passed out from BRCM College in year 2010. Presently, I am working as sub-inspector in Cybercrime Cell, Delhi Police. I am very grateful to my alma mater BRCM for imparting quality education and all over personality development. I wish all the best to all of you and BRCM for getting a best rank in National Assessment and Accreditation Council and all the future endeavors. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohit Sharma. I am pass out of BRCM College of Engineering and Technology for the year 2005. I did my engineering in computer science and engineering. I have overall experience of 14 years now and I worked with some of the big companies in India, HCL, IBM and Cognizant. I have worked on multiple roles. I started my journey as a engineer, as a support engineer, and after that I moved to various roles of delivery manager, project manager. I have also led a team in India, and I'm currently working in World First Group, that is in London. My current location is in London, and I'm working here as a part of an engineering team, where we design systems on DevOps, clouds, and databases. I am really thankful to BRCM College for imparting me a quality education and giving me the confidence to reach to this level. and I wish BRCM College all the best for to get a good rank in NARC accreditation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Preetham Singh. I have studied in BRCM from 2013 to 17 in civil engineering. I have been the topper in my college in civil engineering stream, and all the credit for this goes to the faculty. Currently, I am working as a security officer in Indigo Airlines and posted at Delhi. BRCM offers you, apart from studies, BRCM offers you a lot of other facilities for your all-round development, such as games, sports. Then there is a gym available, a very good hostel life. So all newcomers, I wish you good luck for your dreams and goals. Thank you.
This is Sunil, and I'm a proud alumni of BRCM College 2015 batch. I was in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and the department has helped me to strengthen my engineering skills using their unique infrastructure of the labs and their teaching methods. The instructors for each course were highly skillful and knowledgeable, and they are also patient with every student. Especially Vivek sir, who assisted me to comprehending the need of specific skill set in the real world. The infrastructure of the hostel and the college is excellent. I'm currently based in the United States, and I am working for Mercedes-Benz as a plant control engineer. Also, I have started my own machine manufacturing company here in the United States. So the college helped me a lot to achieve my dreams. Therefore, I highly recommend the college whoever is looking to advance their career. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Anita. I have graduated from Computer Science branch in BRCM College of Engineering and Technology, Behel. I am a pass out of 2018 batch. After that, I have prepared for GATE and successfully got admission in NIT Jalandhar. Currently, I'm in my last semester of MTech. I'm doing my masters in Computer Science branch only. I have published one research paper and the other one is under review. I am already placed in Oracle. Soon I'll be joining Oracle, most probably in July or August in Bangalore. Thank you everyone for inviting me. I would like to thank everyone for being a part of my journey. I would like to thank my teachers, my colleagues, my seniors and juniors. It was a great pleasure for me to speak two words about the place from where I have graduated. And I'm extremely sorry for not being able to present physically due to this COVID situation. I'm right now in my college campus, so I'm not able to visit the college. So at last, thank you everyone for having me and have a great day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Anubhav Goyal. Currently, I am a research scholar at IIT Roorkee. I have completed my masters from BRCM College of Engineering and Technology in 2016. I would like to appreciate and thanks all the faculty members and staff of the college for providing the help and support during the course. And I would like to highlight that it was the strong foundation provided by you that I am able to excel in this field. Thanks a lot and all the best for the NAC accreditation. Thanks to all.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jaiveer Singh, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Jodhpur. I obtained my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from BRCM College of Engineering and Technology, Behel in 2009. BRCM College of Engineering and Technology has provided me a strong foundation and atmosphere to move ahead in my career. I thank the entire BRCM fraternity for their support and wishing all the best for NAC accreditation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Chitraj Chopran and currently I am working with Jindal Shadid Iron and Steel in Oman. Previously I was in Dubai with ABB Limited and I am passed out from 2008 batch Electrical and Electronics from BRCM Engineering College and Behel. And I would like to say special thanks to all my faculty member and whoever taught me about engineering, not even engineering, BRCM taught me about life also and society also. Whatever I am today, because of only BRCM, what foundation they gave me, and because of that only I made my career in this direction. And I'm missing those days. Sometimes I sit alone, and thanks to Vivek sir, Abhinav Kaushik ji, late Shri RCD Kaushik ji, my special pranam. Whoever anyone has contributed in my life, thanks to everyone. Thank you, BRCM. Will visit 100% when I'll come back to India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Poonam Kumari. I have completed my BTech from BRCM College of Engineering in year 2004. Presently, I am working as Associate Professor at Mechanical Engineering, IIT Guwahati. Our colleagues and other batchmates are also doing very well in their respective fields. The reason behind of their progress is the education imparted by the BRCM, and I would like to say that BRCM give a holistic approach to their students, and they do well in every all-round development of the student, plus the curriculum, the regular curriculum of the education. I would like to say all the best to all the BRCM faculty for proceeding NAC accreditations. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepak and I have passed out from BRCM College in 2015 and I am currently working as junior engineer in Civil Wing Haryana Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited, and I wish best of luck to all of you and BRCM College for getting higher rank in National Assessment Accreditation Council. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Prakash. I passed out from BRCM College of Engineering and Technology in year 2018. At present, I am Junior Engineer in Irrigation Department, Government of Haryana. I would like to congratulate Alma Mater BRCM for getting best rank in National Assessment Accreditation Council. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Navdeep Agrawal, Assistant Engineer, Haryana Cooperative Sugar Mill, Rahulgarh. When I look back in my life, then I found an amazing knowledge enhancement place, and the name is BRCM College of Engineering and Technology. Yes, I am passed out of this college of 2016 batch. It was matter of great pleasure for me to know that my college is going for NAC approval. Good luck to all the team of BRCM. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, myself Vikas Purnia. I have studied in BRCM College of Engineering and Technology from 2011-2015 in Civil Engineering Department. Currently I am pursuing my PhD from IIT Indore. From my experience in BRCM College of Engineering and Technology, I can proudly say that this college is equipped with all the required facilities and infrastructures. For example, modern laboratories, workshops, mess facilities, hostel facilities, library, etc. Moreover, this college is having highly dedicated and qualified faculties also to provide a good engineering education. So, in the end, I wish a good luck to all the newcomers coming to the BRCM College of Engineering and Technology for their dreams and future endeavors.
Hello everyone, my name is Govinda Pudar. I was a student of BRCM College batch 2014-18. Today I just want to share a small experience of my journey to BRCM College. Presently I am working as a software engineer in a company based Los Angeles. The name of the company is spelled by blank. My journey in BRCM College was awesome. The main thing in engineering is not only the education and the practical knowledge, it's also about health. And now due to COVID, the first priority of the students will be the hygiene. So for that, BRCM is the best place because All the students are provided separate room. The food is very awesome. So my journey was really nice in BRCM college. I have learned so many things. The professors are very cool. They cleared your doubts. So they have an experienced professors, and the best part is that you get plenty of time to do your research work, your practical stuff. The food is really awesome in the BRCM college. You won't believe, when I went to the college, my weight was around 50 kg, and when I went the college, my weight increases to 70 kg. It's not like that I become fatties or something like that. Now I'm a healthy boy. So there are so many sports activity. There is swimming pool, horse riding, archery. They used to take us for different winter vacation, summer vacation, lots of activities, sports activity. It is a very nice college. The professors are awesome. The main part in engineering is that after completing the college lectures and all, you need a specific place where you can work on your personal growth, and that can be happen in a hostel where you are given a separate room, good internet connectivity. And due to this COVID, hygiene and the health safety is the first priority. So the college is located totally in an isolated place. It's a very good location. There is no I don't think any kind of this COVID can reach over there. Everything is very clean, and the college has also got award regarding that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by Narendra Modi. It is also certified by several other certifications as well. So if you want to do engineering and do a personal growth, I recommend BRCM college. Thank you.
Hello my friend, I am Mr. Prince. I studied BTech from Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department in BRCM College of Engineering and Technology in 2016 batch. Currently I am working as a Senior Commissioning Engineer at Jharkhand Urja Sancharan Nigam Limited project. Thanks BRCM for shaping me into the adult that I am today, for giving me professors and truly cared about my success and didn't see me as a number. Thank you for providing me with lifelong mentors who I know I could always go to any point of my career. Thank you for opening doors to so many opportunities, and thank you for setting me up for the success. Thanks BRCM.
My name is Rishabh Agarwal. I have completed my graduation from BRCM batch 2018 in CS branch. Currently, I am working as a mobile app developer in the Fromby Services India Private Limited. BRCM is a great place to learn. It gives me great pride to have studied CS branch, to have completed my CS from this BRCM college, from this college. The relationship between faculties and students is very cordial, which gave me an opportunity to excel my knowledge and my interest area field. I love the infrastructure of the BRCM which is all surrounding lush green and pollution-free campus. The hostel facilities and the mess food is very good, like which I live in home. And the other thing is that different societies in the college, which is like CS societies, mechanical societies, which help to challenge the skills of the student and give opportunity to enhance the skills. I love the BRCM, and staying in BRCM spent my 4 years of life, which is very helpful for me. Thank you.